Okay, I'm hoping this works out. I had to set my camera back on top of something. What I've done is I've drilled and countersunk a number 7 hole 201 in preparation to tap a 1/4-20 tap. I've got the tap in the spindle right in the drill chuck. I've got it running as slow as the mill will go. I've turned my VFD down to where it'll run as slow as possible. Now I can go from forwards. This is really Mickey Mouse, but it works. And go from forwards to reverse at the flip of a switch. So when I'm ready to tap this, I'm just going to come down in forwards, get the tap going through there, and then before I hit the bottom or run out of tap, I'm going to hit it into reverse and it'll back itself right back out. So here's how we do it. Put a little bit of WD on the hole or the tap, either one. Come down, start through it. You can pretty much let go of the quill handle, it'll keep going. Now I reverse it. My handle interferes with the side of the machine here a little bit. And then the spring on the quill will automatically bring the tap back up and out of the hole. Now I can go back to my forwards rotation and then turn my machine off. Now I'm going to pick this up. It's going to probably get shaky. Here's my VFD mounted over here behind the machine. I don't know why I've got an error code on the front of it. Probably too hot out here. I can control the speed and stuff right from that little knob on the front. So I can go from 60 cycles all the way up to 75 hertz. Or 30 hertz to 75 hertz. And that's how I control my speed. Now the on and off, I've wired with a small wire. I don't know if you can even see it down there at the bottom of the machine. Goes up through the housing and comes up to that switch right there. It's normally open, normally closed for on and off. If I wanted a big e-stop button, I could just put another wire on there and mount it out here on the edge of the machine if I wanted to, and be able to stop instantaneously. I've made this is just an outdoor cover for a regular switch, and basically in one position it makes the VFD run forwards, the other position it runs in reverse. I have it set to where I have to do probably a full second of ramp up, ramp down, because I got that big old motor back there. That was a 2-speed motor. It runs B-belt inside that box on the back up to the spindle. You can kind of see the handle there off the back, and then there's chains that go down to drive my feed box for my power feeds. And then I've got all sorts of gears up inside right behind that handle and the switch. They give me all the different speeds. You can see the gear change handles right there. My feed change handles are there. It makes a lot of racket if you want to run a gearhead machine in higher speeds. Well, you could hear what it sounded like. I'm going to have to stop this, I guess.